Welcome everyone. Coil is connected to two poles of a battery with a potential difference 20 volt. The current is 5 ampere in the circuit. If the battery removed and the coil is connected to poles of an AC source, effective voltage 20, frequency 700 over 22, and current 4 ampere. A says calculate the self-induction. L R circuit, there is resistance and the inductor in the circuit. How can we understand there is resistance? Because potential difference of the DC given and current of DC given, it means it says to calculate resistance of resistor. So R equal V over I, and we have to use for this one DC properties, potential difference 20 and the current in the circuit 5 ampere, so it's going to be 4 ohm. Effective voltage given 20 and the current in the circuit given 4 ampere, so I can calculate the total impedance, which is equal V total over I total 20 over 4, it's equals 5 ohm. Total impedance formula is equal Z square equal R squared plus X squared, but in this circuit there is no capacitor, so directly XL squared. Z is 5 squared is equal R 4 squared plus XL squared. And the XL going to be 3 ohm. Formula of the XL equal 2 pi FL. XL we found it is a 3 equal 2. And the value of pi is 22 over 7. Because frequency given 700 over 22 times L. So L going to be 15 times 10 to minus 3 Henry. B says calculate the phase difference angle. To calculate phase difference angle, we have to use tangent phi always. Tangent phi equal X over R, but there is no X as I said, so it's going to be XL over R. XL is 3 over R is 4, so it's going to be 0.75, and the angle, which is phi, going to be 37 degree. From this triangle you can calculate it. 37, 53. There is 3, 4, and 5. Tangent 3 over 4, it means 37 degree. C says power factor. Power factor means cosine phi. Cosine phi equal R over Z. R is equal 4, Z is equal 5, it's going to be 0.8. Let's solve the D, and D says calculate the both actual and real power. P real equal I square times R. I is 4 square times 4. And which current we are going to use here? If you want to decide that, we have to use 4 ampere. Why? Now we are talking about the AC circuit. The information which is given about the battery is to calculate resistance. So the result going to be 16 times 4, 64 watt. And the P apparent is going to be I times V total equal I is 4 and V total is equal 20. It's going to be 80 volt ampere. Thanks for listening.